Hey, good morning everybody. This is Twilight Sparkle Fan here, coming to you from the west side of the floodwall here in downtown Richmond. Today is November 13th. It's Friday, November 13th. So I hope your luck is going to be good. I just want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys this. Look how high the river is. They said this river is going to be up to 19, it could be near 19 feet today, this weekend. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a walk along the flood wall so I could give you guys a view of the river. As you can see, this river hasn't been high like this for a long time. It's been over a decade ever since. It's been a decade ever since the last James River flood. Unbelievable. This is so cool. I've never seen the river high like this before. I'm usually seeing the river like above like 15 feet, but this is more than 15 feet. The river can reach as high as 19 feet by the end of this week. And you can see it's raging. If you look on the other side here, that's this access point is all empty, because you'll follow this all the way down towards to 14th Street and the Railroad Museum. So yeah, it's pretty incredible on how high the river is. If you can't tell, you can see all all these branches that are coming down the river. Continue. This is just incredible. Oh, don't worry. We're going to see a better view of the river when we cross the pedestrian bridge just down there that goes across the James River. 'Cause I was thinking about doing some filming over by Bells Island to give you some views of the river down there. But I'll think of doing that. But like I said, it's incredible on how high the river is. For all my years living here, I've seen the river high. I've seen the river high like this, but not really almost up to. Because literally the river is like almost up to the bridge, the train bridge in 14th Street. So it's very incredible here, the river. And we got this Norfolk Southern train here, sitting in the yard, waiting for it to go north. Get some water. I really had to go along the edge for this. What I'll do is take a look at the river. I'm walking along the wall. Here we go. We got 5216, which is I believe a GP38-2. We got 6305, which is an SD40E, which is very weird to see an SD40E here in Richmond. I still have to go around some puddles, but yep, 6305, which is an SD40E, and 6116, which is a SD40-2. But the Curiosity is 6305, an SD40E. I'm going to give you a little history on the SD40Es. The SD40Es were used to be helper engines along the Pittsburgh line from between Altoona and Pittsburgh. But SD70 ACUs have recently taken charge of the helper units. So yeah. This will be it for me here on the flood wall. Our next video will be crossing the pedestrian bridge. See you guys then. Take care.